Okay, so welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can start using Microsoft Word. So the first step here is how your computer screen looks like. And from here, you can start a Microsoft Word and then proceed with document writing. So the first step is you go to the taskbar. This is the taskbar. And then on the taskbar, you can create this search, search menu. And this, you can type the words Word. And here it will show you an app, which is a Microsoft Word application. And then after clicking this, it will take some minutes to open. And this is how Microsoft Word looks like. So in here, you have different menu. For example, this is it's a bar, menu bar. So you can see like when you click file, you see this menu. And when you click, let's say home, you see this menu, insert. All these are different menus which can help you perform different tasks. And this is a design, layout, differences, mails, and so on. On the bottom here, bottom left corner, you can see you have number of page, which is page 1 of 1, number of words. For example, we have only 0 words. You can also see different menus on this side, including this zoom. And from here, the best practice is to save your document before you begin anything. This is the best practice so that you can understand where your document is saved. And this, you can get it on the file. When you click the file, you see you have a home. Where when you click home, it means you see this, like the new brand document and some recent works. If you click new, it means you will open a new document. But if you click open, it will direct you to open an already existing document from the folders. You have getting ads, you have info, you have save as. You can also save as a PDF. You can print, you can share, and so on. Now, in this case, I want to show you how you can save your document. So we have save and save as. So save and save as for the first time of using saving the document, we perform the same task. But if you have opened an existing document, you will save. But for the first time, we are going to save as, because it's the first time we are using, we are creating our document. After clicking save, it will ask you where do you want to save. So we have here some pinned recent folders where you can save your work, or you can just go to this PC or browse in order to select the location where you want to save. For the purpose of demonstration, I want to save this to desktop. And under the desktop, I have different folders. So I will select my file. And after selecting the folder, you can also double click to open it. And then you will need to select the file name, the name of your document. So, for example, I will save this one as my trial, like this, my trial, like this. And then I know I'm saving on my file. So you will see the directory here. It is saved on this PC, on the desktop, and then on the desktop, the specific folder is my file. So I will save the file, which is my trial, and the file type is a Word document. By clicking document, it will be saved. So now our document is already saved. You will see it changes the name. This is my trial, and it's on the Word format. So after saving your document, now we have saved it, but it is blank. It has nothing inside. So you can try, you can start typing here the content of your document. For example, I will say this is introduction as a heading, and then I will start typing whatever you want, like um, like this is my first document in AMOS World, and then I say I am so excited to write. You see, yeah, to write my first document. My first document. Then put a full stop. Now, one of the best things with Microsoft Word is that whenever you write a document, it will try to correct you when you do some mistakes. For example, the word right, I was intending to write the word right. But you see, if you look carefully, you'll see that the spellings are not correct. So I can put here the cursor and then right click this, and then it will give a suggestion that probably you meant right, like this one. So if I click this, it will correct it. So you see now this is the introduction, and then this is my first document in Microsoft Word. I'm so excited to write my first document. So on the bottom left corner here, you will see that we have only one page out of one, and it has 18 words. So it gives you the number of words. So if you click these words, you can also get, like, we have one page, we have 18 words, we have 77 characters without space. With the space, it is 93. Paragraph, it is only 2, and lines, it is 2 lines. So yeah, so I click here close to remove it. So this is how powerful Microsoft Word is. Now, as this is just a single statement, you can write as many words as you want. And here we have some tools. Under the home menu bar, we have some tools which can help us to format or do other things. For example, the word introduction here, I can want it to bold it, to put it on the center, or to do anything I want. Now, starting with this thing here, it's called the font style and font size. You see, we have chosen this. If you look, it's 11. So our font size is 11, and our font style is Calibri. So if I want to change the font size and font style, is I will select a certain portion of the document where I want to change. Let's say I want to move or to change from Calibri Light maybe to Times New Roman. So I will highlight my document and say put in the Times New Roman. So it changes the font style. If I want to change again the font size, for example, increasing the size of the words. So you see, after clicking here, font size, and then navigating through this, it will change the style accordingly. So let's say I want to put 14. So this is a 14 font style. Another thing, maybe I want to put the word introduction, because this is the heading. I want to bold it. So you see, after highlighting, I can bold it. You see, I can put it as italic. I can underline. You see, a lot of functionality. So let me at this time bold. You see, like this, and then it's bolded. So if you want to put it to be in italic form, you can click I, it will put it in italic. You can underline it like this. Now for this time, I don't want to underline. I don't want to put it on italic. I will leave it as bolded like this. And on the same home menu, we have another tools, which is a shortcut. You can increase the size, highlight, and then you increase the size using this one. See, It's A, and it shows upper arrow here. So when you click to increase the size, you can use this one to reduce the size like this up to the size which you want. See. And on the same home menu, we have another tool here, which you can change the case. If you click this one, it will show you a sentence case or a lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and to go case. For example, if I highlight this heading, which is introduction, and then if I click on the case, I can select lowercase. So if I select lowercase, it means all letters in this word will be in the lowercase. Then if I select uppercase, it means all the letters will be on the uppercase. But if I want to use capitalize each word, it means it will keep the first letter of the word to be capital, but other letters will be lowercase. So for this case, I will choose it to be on the uppercase like this. Yeah, because this is a heading, I prefer it to be on the uppercase. Yeah, like this. So you can also change the colors. For example, if I want to change the color, it means you highlight the words, and then let's say I want to put it, yeah, like this. So this is the background color. Yeah. This is the background color. So the words will remain black, but the background color will change. So you can put it like this color, or maybe you want to put it on green. So you select your words, your word like this, and then you go to put a green color. Yeah. Now, because this is maybe an official document, I will put it with no color on the background. So I will select my words, and then I put no color. So it won't show the colors again. But also can change the colors of the letters of the words. So by default, it was a black color, but I can choose other colors. For example, I want these words to be red. So first I need to choose the words, and then I choose put this to be red, for example. So you see, the word introduction now is on red color. Yeah, but for the presentation, because this I want maybe to write an official document, I'll just choose to put them on the black color. So put it like this. So this is how you can use different tools under the home menu to format your documents. We also have different orientation. I mean, yeah, you can just want to make these words on the center, on the different sides of the page. For example, this is by default on the left side because this is it's justified on the left, but you can also justify on the center, which we call it center. So this was aligned. This was aligned on the left. It's an alignment. So if you select this one, select an alignment. You can also select a center. You can also select to put it on the right like this, or you can justify like this. So justify it means it you put at the beginning. So I put center because this is a heading. I want it to be on the center. Okay, a page. You see. So this is first things I wanted to tell you on the Microsoft world, but there are different tools and utilities which can help you create a document. For example, you can just want to select the document like this, and you want to copy and paste on the different location of your page. For example, if I select this, I highlight this. And how do you highlight? It means you put cursor, and then you left click, and then you move your cursor up to the point where you want to copy, for example. So I can highlight like this, and then upon right clicking, I right click, It will give me option like to cut, to copy, like the font, paragraph, and whatever. But for now, I want to show you how you can cut or you can copy and paste it somewhere. For example, if I click copy, and then I select a different location on my page, for example, a cursor here, and then I select paste option. So on the paste option, like here or here, for example, so I keep source formatting. I select the first option. Then you see now I have duplicated the first line. I've pasted it here. So if I paste again, using a shortcut, because if you look at this, if you want to paste, for example, if I highlight this again, if I want to copy, you see copy, and then the shortcut is Control C. You hold the Control and then C, and so I'll just take it as a copy. And if I want to paste it somewhere, I will just highlight, light click and then paste it. But as a shortcut, you can say Control V. So Control V, it will paste your document. So this is how you can start writing your document on the Microsoft Word. But another very important thing is that when we started our document, we first saved the as, because we wanted to give the name. So right now, you go to File and then you click Save. It means you want to update your document. You want to save the things you have updated while modifying your document. So whatever things you do, you need to save, because this is really save these additional activities you have done. But as a shortcut, you can just come here, you will see save. So when you click this icon, it will automatically save your document. So right now I'm done already with my document, and I can click here the cancel. And when I go back to my files on the desktop, right here, I will see my document is here, my file. And when I try to open this, it will take me to open the document which I have created. So I'm very happy because I've created my document, I've given it a name, and I've saved it in my directory or my folder, and I can open it and see what I have written. So that's all for the starting. Welcome to see what I will add next on how you can still modify your document to make it very clear. Thank you, and you're welcome.